So hello guys, today we are going to see how can you deploy your Django application in Heroku. So for that, first of all, go to your browser and type Heroku CLI. So you need to download the Heroku CLI. So if you are on Windows, you can download it from here directly, or if you are on Linux, just copy the following command and go to your terminal, paste it here, give your password. As you can see, I have already downloaded this, so I no need to download it again. Now go to your Django project folder, and here you need to add two files. One is proc file and another is requirements.txt. So let's add. And another is proc file. With no extension. So edit the proc file first. So in the proc file we need to specify our WSGI file. So in my case, here is my WSGI file in book cell site. So now add this. WSGI. Now save it. So in this requirements.txt you need to add all of your Python dependencies. So in my case I just need only Django and pillow, and the other two dependencies which you need for your Heroku, which are Unicorn and another one is Django Heroku. Let's save it. Now go to your settings.py. So here you have to allow all hosts. Save it. Now open your terminal from here. Now just simply log in by typing Heroku login. Press any key. Login from here. Now come to your terminal and here type Heroku creates. So it will create a Heroku application for you. Now just type Heroku git remote. Now just you have to enter the application name from, just copy it from here, press enter. Now type git init. Now add all of the files. Now commit those files. Now push all of this file. So it's giving me some error. Let's check. So I just mistyped the below here. Just save. I think it should work now. So I made some changes, so I need to run the git add again and again commit the files. Now push. Again I am having some error, so it's saying that I have to run this command. Just simply copy it from here and paste it here. I think it will run now. So our Django app is ready now. You just need to type Heroku open to open the app. Now you can see the application is running on our Heroku server. So thank you guys for watching this video.